Today, I bought some clay. We are getting creative and I thought this would be an enjoyable experience. Did a bit of brainstorming. I thought an ashtray. Now, I don't smoke. I'm not a smoker, but I have friends who are smokers. And I thought, how cool would it be if I could design them an ashtray, which is one of a kind, unique, handmade by me, that's a bit quirky. A jack-o'-lantern, like, you know, the pumpkins with the eyes and mouth carved out. Instead of a pumpkin, in a skull form. This is what I'm basing my creation off. So imagine smoke, amazing, put it in there, and then the light lights up the eyes and stuff. Or if you're having a diet and you're like, oh no, I gotta go inside, put it in the nose, put it in the mouth, leave it for a second, then come back to it. I want to try and replicate this just with clay. I don't have any creative flair whatsoever. I'm gonna quickly read over the instructions. This is air dry, doesn't stain, which is grouse. Who do I think I am really? I tie up my hair, I don't want clay in my hair. So my aim for today is to make a skull head out of clay. That's gonna be an ashtray. My hypothesis is that it's not gonna be very good. And the method of which I'm going to try and do that, I'm just gonna try and get the skull shape right, and then I'm almost gonna scoop out the insides to try and get that. I don't know, I haven't really thought much into this, but let's go for it, right? So just a bit harder than what I first anticipated. Fuck. Do you have to warm it up or something? Not to add water. Cool. I don't know how I'm gonna scoop this out though. I don't know. I guess I could like try and form it around like a round object. Tennis ball. Not very good at this. Let's start from the bottom and we'll work our way up. I'm gonna make a base and then I'm gonna build up. It's probably a good idea. I don't know what I'm doing. It's not gonna be smooth on the inside. It's not gonna be smooth anywhere. Everyone forgive me. I can already see it's gonna be shit. I reckon it's not good. I'm not very good at this. I'm not creative at all. I haven't got any spatial perception. I'm not really good at a lot of things, first of all. In general, never was good at art. I don't know how I'm gonna do the lid. I've just scooped it out. Scoop out the inside. By the way, Mum, if you're watching, this isn't your spoon. That's a better idea. Get the shape first. No, we're starting again. So, get your clay. And we're gonna make the back of a head, I think. Why am I so confident over my skills that I don't have? This is definitely the way to go. It's fine. It's been 12 minutes already and this is as much as I've achieved. Maybe I'll add on to all the shapes. I'm just referencing. Let's get confident. Yeah, that's looking good. Shut up. It's not super scientific. That's kind of on the vibe that I'm trying to vibe. Nose bit in here, eye bit in there, teeth and shit, ears, jawbone. I'm sorry, this is just apologies in advance. This is disgraceful. Scoop out the brain bit. It's not the best idea. It fucks out the design though. What design, Alex? Oh no, that's alright. We can mold it out a little bit. we were onto something. Maybe this is the right time to mention that I failed art, a strong fail. I don't remember the class much, which means I probably wasn't paying attention. I'm starting to think that I'm in over my head over this. Oh, no. I'm just so confident. Shape is not quite there. This is what I've got so far. You know what? I'm probably just gonna skip ahead to when I've got something actually of worth showing you guys, instead of this absolute shambles that I've got going on. It's like a mouth there. I expect to be judged. I do. I didn't manage my own expectations. I'm going to call it now and say I'm nowhere near. I've got a bit off path. The front's not good either, but I'm just going to cut out losses. We'll roll it up again. That was all a practice run. I'm not a complete peanut. I will get this. One of a kind. It's gonna be unique, never been done before. I think it's a funny idea. I don't achieve it at all. I think it'll be good on its own level of fun. So, in it, I haven't got the coronavirus, by the way. I haven't got the CV. I've got a CV. If anyone wants to hire me to do this for them, let me know. Brita eyebrow action, fabulous. Because, you know, eyebrows shape the face. We've got the Nazi bone. What do we reckon? It's getting some sort of shape, right? So we want that look. It's kind of got a Voldemort kind of vibe, which I'm not mad at. Whoops. Heads roll. Heads roll on the floor. It's called persistent. I think that's all it is, really. I believe in myself, which is probably a good thing because it's not like anyone else believes in me. Not great. I don't think this is going to be complete shambles. Not completely useless, even though it looks like it. Much to be desired. Jaw to latch there. Cut off the top of the head, scoop it out. Just, you know, a simple procedure. I don't know why it looks wrong. Apart from the fact that I've done it. Kind of cool. Not bad. Pretty decent size. Yuck. Not my hair. The head. I think it looks good. Maybe a little bit off center. This is the moment of truth. I'm just going to get a bit of floss and I'm just going to try and cut across the head. Just, look, the thought's there. Let's try another plan of attack. We're just going to get a sharp knife. Yes, even though I haven't had parent supervision, I did get a go-ahead from my mum that I could use a sharp knife. I would suggest that you guys do the same. We don't want any dramas happening at home. Bit of a lobotomy, is that what they call it? That's gonna be the lid, I guess. And I'm gonna try and scoop out the inside. I'm so stressed right now. This is not a good idea. I don't know why I decided to do it this way. Probably because I've failed it every other way. I'm just kind of gutting the head. It's kind of messing up everything else. Now, there we go. The practicality of this skull, I'm going to rate it about a 5 because even though you will be able to use it as an ashtray, one, it's not very deep, and two, it'd be hard to wash, I guess, or empty. Not executed very well. Nothing I do is executed very well. Cut out the eyes then, shall we? Ah! Typical me. Oh, that shouldn't be floating around. Sorry. It's a bit like the coronavirus test at the moment. I reckon you'd feel worse than this guy if you got that coronavirus test done. Now, I'm not an expert on skulls. I have one, but I'm not like, you know, a doctor. I'm not anything. But I'm going to come out and say it. That's pretty fucking good. Oh, wonderful. You've got your skull. And so that, ladies and gentlemen.